I'm Dr. Marcus Brown. I'm a radiation oncologist at the Clinch Valley Medical Center. We conduct community outreach with our cancer screening programs several times a year. And I'm happy, along with other physicians on our staff and also within the community, to participate. They're free, open to the public at large, and sometimes we'll target specific employers and employees of the region. One of the mottos of our particular department of radiation oncology at the hospital is that we're here to not treat cancer, we're here to treat people.
I'm Randy Cordle. I'm an employee with the Tazewell County School System. I've been employed with them over 18 years. This year, Clinch Valley Hospital conducted a health screening in conjunction with Tazewell County Schools. Availed myself of this opportunity and signed up to go. Went through the various stations. The last station was an oral screening station, which was being operated by Mr. Chad Ashby and Dr. Brown. In the course of that screening, I asked Chad if he would recommend a dermatologist. He made a suggestion, and then he asked me, do you have a place that's of concern? And I shared with him that I did have a place. And I could tell that he was concerned about it. He said he would like for Dr. Brown to examine it as well. Dr. Brown came over and made an examination. He pulled out his cell phone, actually, and then his response was, that needs to come off as soon as possible. And so they made an appointment for me, and I was at Clinch Valley Medical Center that afternoon, meeting with the surgeon who scheduled me for surgery the next morning. Just a short turnaround time, the report came back. Everything was good, the margins were clear, it was a success.
When it came to my attention that Mr. Cordle had a lesion of concern, we immediately took actions to ensure that he would get prompt and decisive care and management. Fortunately, it was at an early stage with a good outcome.
So I'm very grateful to Clinch Valley for conducting that screening. I don't think I could have received any better care anywhere, and it was right here in our community. We have caring individuals who work there who truly care about the health and well-being of the people in the community. So to that, I'd like to say thanks.
Hello, my name is Chad Ashby. I'm the Director of Oncology Services here at Clinch Valley Medical Center. One of the things here at Clinch Valley we like to do, what I like to use the phrase is Clinch Valley gives back to the community. And throughout the year we try to target specific types of cancers that we have a tendency to see more of in the community. In this particular screening, it had nothing to do with oral health, but nonetheless, it was nice that Mr. Cordle was comfortable enough with myself to ask me to take a look at the spot. Kudos to Dr. Brown for being very prompt and responsive to Mr. Cordle's needs. And like Mr. Cordle said, he's an employee of Tazewell County School Systems, and he was able to go back to work before the first day of school and have all this taken care of. Most of the time when we go out in these screenings, we say if we find one thing, it was definitely worth being there. So we're going to keep the charge and keep our foot moving forward and continuing to give back to the community. We'd love for you to stop by and see us.